Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update the Safari browser on your Mac OS computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and select the Apple icon in the top left corner of your Mac menu and select where it says System Preferences and select where it says About this Mac. Select Software Update. Now, if there are any applicable updates available for Safari, they'd be listed in here, and then you could go ahead and select them and install them. More than likely there will not be, but there should be options in here. It would give you the pending updates through here, and you should go ahead and update it. Okay, so it says we're all up to date. Alternatively, you can also select the Apple icon again, and then select App Store. Select Continue here. If you select Updates on the left side, if there are any updates available, they would be listed here. You can go ahead and select the tab and then go ahead and install the Safari update as well. So a couple different places you can check, but pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.